Hello everyone and welcome to EduTap. So guys, we're back with another session for NABARD Grade A Phase 2 Descriptive English for the year 2021. And in this session, we'll be discussing the exam interface because this is one of the most important factors to look into, guys, because your typing, obviously you may be very good at typing, but the type of interface that you face in the exam that may prove very problematic if the student hasn't already practiced in that interface. So for your benefit, for your preparation strategy, we'll be showing you the interface that you or any aspirant faces in this exam. So let's begin the session. But before we begin, I would like to inform you about the festival sale that we have launched. Now we are offering flat 40% off on all our courses across the board, be it RBI, SEBI, NABARD, ICARAO, ESIC Deputy Director, IBPS AFO, UPSC APFC, or any of our combo courses. And we are offering flat 40% off, and the coupon code is EDT40, and the sale is valid only till tomorrow, that is 11th of October. So hurry up, guys. So let's begin with the session, guys. So first of all, let's understand the syllabus of the paper, guys. Now this paper is for 100 marks, that is 50% of the weightage of phase 2. And guys, you will have 90 minutes and you will have 3 questions to write on. So first question would be your essay writing, which will take a lot of time, and it holds 40 marks out of 100. Second, you will be given a passage to frame your précis, that is 30 marks. And third question could be reading comprehension, that is also for 30 marks. Now, I would also suggest to you that you should also prepare for letter writing or report writing, because it has been conveyed in the instructions of the notification that you may be given either précis writing or letter or report writing. That means business communication. So this is the breakup of the paper, guys. 40, 30, 30, that makes 100 marks, and you will be given 90 minutes to write your answers. So let's discuss what the interface looks like and what you need to do while you are drafting your answers. So what you need to be careful about. Now, many students ask me, sir, what does the interface look like, and how to face the interface. Now guys, this is what your interface looks like. You will be given a question. If you can see on the screen, there's a question given, write an essay on population. And guys, under that question, you will have this dialog box. So guys, you will have to type your answers in the dialog boxes. So guys, in the dialog boxes, you do not have the option to cut, copy, paste, or bold or increase or decrease or underline anything. So you'll just see the cursor and you'll have to just type your answer. You cannot do anything that you usually you can do in your Word document. So you will be given this dialog box to write your answers on. And if you see the scrolling part, now guys, as you scroll further, now you will see as you type further, you will have to scroll up, top to bottom, or probably left to right. So this scrolling is very problematic for the students because they are not able to see what is written beyond the screen. So students feel that it was very difficult to scroll up and down. So you have to get used to this. And guys, on the top right corner, probably you'll have the timer, or and in the bottom right corner, you'll have the word counter as well. So which is not shown here, but you will also have a word counter. So as you start typing in your dialog box, the word counter will show how many words you have already written in that dialog box, and the timer will show you how much composite time is left from the exam. Right. So this is what your interface looks like. It will not be a Word document or a notepad. It will be a dialog box. So guys, what you should know that in a dialog box, you cannot use any of the shortcuts, shortcut keys, you can call it. So you cannot bold, you cannot it put something into italics or underline something, or you cannot use cut, copy, paste. So guys, this is not available during the exam. So don't think you can use the same thing in your exam as you do in your Word document. So please be careful about it. Right. So this is what your interface looks like in the exam, and you should be very careful while you're preparing, because if you practice answer in a different format, and if you have to write your answer in a different format, it would be very difficult for you to finish the paper in time. So that is why I wanted to discuss this with you, especially because the exam is approaching and I hope you are preparing hard for this phase. right? So guys, basically this is your basic layout of your interface. You will be given the question. For example, let's see one question. You will be given a question. Choose any one of the topic to write an essay for 400 words. You will be given the word limit. So let's say these are the topics: higher education, stress among youth, NPFC loan collection issues, democracy and importance of vote, and scope of 5G in India. Under that you will have the dialog box. So what will happen, I'll just try to I'll try to type something for you. For example, if you write this: India is one of the fastest growing economies of the world at present, right? Then as I write further, we need to assume, so it will start, it will start going below the dialog box, and that is where you will have to start typing your answers, scrolling your answers, and you cannot see what you've written above that. So guys, and on the bottom right corner, this is the timer that will go on. So guys, you need to understand the timer will be there. There will be a word counter which will tell you that how many words you have already typed in this dialog box. See, so you should be aware of the interface, and this is why I wanted to discuss it with you, especially before the exam. Got it, guys? So understanding the interface, so every step is very important. The more prepared you go in the exam, the better your understanding will be, right? So guys, that was the session for today, and we'll have these sessions on a continuous basis so that you can improve your articulation, improve your drafting. And before we leave, guys, again I would like to inform you about the festival sale that we have launched. We are offering 40% discount on all our courses across the board, and the coupon code is EDT40. So guys, if you have any doubts, if you have any queries, or if you have any questions for us, please feel free to ask. You can call us on this number 8146207241, or you can also drop us an email at hello@edutap.co.in. And if you want to check out our courses, the links for our courses have been given in the description of the video, as well as if you want the PDFs of these sessions for free, you can join our Telegram channel, the link for which is also given in the description of the video. So guys, I wish you all the success in life. I wish your preparations are on track, and I hope your journey proves successful and fruitful for you. So thank you so much for joining in, guys. Have a great time, and happy learning to all of you.